Today I'll walk you through the beautiful online platform for learning almost anything, and that is Coursera. So this is how Coursera looks like when you first enter the website. So basically you can take the world's best courses online. And those are the courses that are actually taught at universities such as University of Pennsylvania, such as Johns Hopkins, such as Stanford, Duke University, University of Michigan, and many, many others. Then there are the specializations. So those are the courses that you actually take in sequence, and then when you finish, you have a capstone project that you actually implement in the real life. As you can see, here are the popular courses, here are the top-rated courses. You can see there are many, many different things such as Introduction to Music Production, to Power Electronics, Data Science, Machine Learning, Business courses and so on, Computer Science, Social Sciences. There is really something for everyone. So how does it work? It's really easy. So you discover your course, you sign up, you learn on your own schedule, so you can do it whenever you want, and you can basically achieve your goals. You can, if you successfully complete all the course requirements, you can get a certificate that you can share on your wall or on your social network. So the basic approach of Coursera is to enhance the effectiveness of online learning. There is a so-called mastery learning, which means that you are not going to the next subject before you master the previous one. You have assignments that you can retake and reattempt as much as you want until you actually master it. There is also something that's called peer assessments. So when you enter the course, there are many other people who are taking the same course from around the world, and learners can actually assess each other, and this system results in very accurate feedback for the learner and very valuable learning experience for the one who is actually grading. And finally, there is a possibility for blended learning, where you have physical institutions such as your local faculty, your local university, or maybe educational center that can leverage this content that's on Coursera and form study groups around the different courses, and then connect with people who are at the same geographical region. So let me show you how it looks like when you actually log in. So I'm logging in with my username and password, and then here are my enrollments, my specializations, and here is my two courses that I'm currently enrolled in. I am recommending both of those, Learning How to Learn and Life of Happiness and Fulfillment. So for example, let's take a look how this one looks like. This is the course that lasts from March 28th and up to May 2nd. I'm resuming my current progress in the class. So let's load it. It's loading. Yeah, so this is the main page of the course, and there are the course content. So you have week 1. I'm currently on the week 3. Week 1, for example. Here you have the intro. Welcome to the first week of Learning How to Learn. And then here are the video lectures. For example, this is the video lecture that I already watched, but this is how it looks like.
What do you do when you just
so the course is
figure
starting.
something out? For zombies, it's pretty simple. They can just keep bashing their brains against the wall. But living brains are a lot more complex.
And this is the course.
It turns out, though, that if you understand just a little bit of some of the basics about how your brain works, you can learn more easily and be less frustrated. Researchers have found that we have two
while you are watching the
different
video,
modes of
you can pause the video anytime you want. If you didn't understand, you can go back and then re-watch the video, the concept. And let me show you something else. For example, after the video is finished, this is the end of the video.
People access their diffuse ways of thinking to do great things.
Yellow.
Thanks for learning about learning. I'm Barbara Oakley.
Okay, so this is actually a question that pops out within the video, and you can use these questions to reassess your understanding of the current concept. So this is the question. You are doing this, then you submit, and then you immediately get a feedback. For example, this is a correct response, this is correct, this is incorrect. So I'm unchecking this box, submitting, and then I can continue further. This is the practice. This is how the quizzes look like. Okay, so I already took this quiz, but I can show you again. This is a quiz. So you have a question. This is a question. You have your multiple choice answers, like this and so on. And then you submit the quiz. And here are your assignments. You can see your progress on assignments. So as you can see, currently I have 3 weeks out of 4 weeks of the course finished. This is the last week that I didn't finish. My due date for finishing this is April 25th. So for example, this is week 4. Currently I'm right here. When I finish all of this, then I will get a certificate, and I will be very happy. There is a discussion forums where you can discuss the topics on the course with your fellow learners. You can connect with them, meet each other, form study groups, and so on. You can see your classmates, where are they from. So for example, there are many people from all around the world right now. You can see from Europe, where I'm from. Okay. So currently there are 33 people from Croatia who are actually studying on the same course. And this is how you are taking courses on Coursera. And finally, you can see your accomplishments. So these are all the courses that you actually finished. So for example, here are the courses that I finished. Let's say that I take, I don't know, Introduction to Finance course, which I have the verified certificate. So this is the certificate that I have. I can download the certificate and print it out, or I can link it to social networks such as LinkedIn, where people who are interested in the things that I learned can see that and connect with me and discuss and maybe form a future business prospect and so on. If you have any questions about how to learn on Coursera and you want to maybe learn together with someone else on the same course, put your comment below, and see you tomorrow in the next video blog. Bye bye.